Grow old with me, unveiling a romantic English phrase. Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll dive into the beautiful and romantic English phrase, grow old with me. This phrase is not just common in English-speaking cultures, but it also carries a profound and heartwarming meaning. If you're learning English, understanding such phrases can enrich your language skills and cultural understanding. Let's explore this together. Grow old with me is a phrase that, on the surface, talks about aging. But there's more to it than just getting older. The word, grow, implies a natural, gradual process, while old refers to the later stages of life. By saying, with me, the speaker is inviting someone to spend the entirety of life's journey together. In a romantic context, grow old with me symbolizes the desire for a lifelong partnership. It's not just about aging physically. It's about maturing emotionally and spiritually alongside someone. This phrase often implies a deep level of commitment, love, and companionship. It's a way of saying, let's experience all phases of life together, with all its ups and downs. This phrase has been used in various forms of art, like poetry, songs, and movies, often to express deep romantic love. One famous example is the song, Grow Old With Me, by John Lennon. In literature, similar expressions are found in poetry and novels, highlighting the theme of enduring love. You can use grow old with me in romantic settings, such as during a wedding proposal, in love letters, or on anniversaries. It's a powerful way to express a lifelong commitment to your partner. However, it's important to use it sincerely and in the right context, as it carries a strong emotional weight. So, grow old with me is much more than a phrase about aging. It's a beautiful expression of love, commitment, and the desire to share life's journey together. We hope this video helps you understand and appreciate the depth of this phrase. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the emotions and meanings behind them. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.